Hello everyone and welcome back to our Shopify reports series. Today we are looking at one of the most useful reports in Shopify, the Total Sales Over Time report. This report gives you a clear view of what customer actually paid: gross sales, discount, returns, net sales, shipping charges, taxes, and total sales, broken down over time by day, week, or month. Here's what this report helps you understand. Trend analysis. Spot daily, weekly, and monthly revenue patterns, including seasonalities across your orders. Sales channels. See which sales channels is driving revenue from your marketing efforts. Returns. Understand return patterns during and outside promotions, including which channels and return seasons contribute the most. Click on Analytics and click on Reports. And here you can just type the name of the report. You can click the report, open it. And now you're seeing the sales for each date. So you can see the gross sales, the discounts, the returns, the net sales. You can see the shipping charges, the taxes, and finally the total sales. Now you can adjust the date range to see how your sales are performing over the last week, month, or quarter. So I'm changing the dimension to see the data by month. And then I'm changing my date range to see all the months for 2026. And now I'm using the comparison feature to compare my sales with 2025. And now you can see the comparison for 2026 and 2025 side by side. You can also add sales channel as a dimension. This breaks down the data and shows you which sales channel is generating the most revenue. Now I'm adding the reversed quantity rate, which represents the return rate. This shows what percentage of sales is being reversed through returns. You can now view which sales channel has the highest return rate. This helps you spot whether a specific channel or campaign is creating a return issue that may have gone unnoticed. You can also view the return rate by month and quickly identify which month has the highest return rate. The Total Sales Over Time report is not about tracking revenue. It quickly helps you understand how your store is performing. Instead of guessing, you can open this report and get a clear answer backed by data. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.